day everyone, this is Renelyn Tein. So now we will talking about curriculum improvement. So first, this is Unit 3 from Framework to Practice, the teacher role in the Philippine curriculum. Implementation. F. Curriculum improvement. And the subtopic is levels of curriculum improvement. So first, let's talk about curriculum improvement. So, what is curriculum improvement? Curriculum improvement means it's stating that curriculum improvement means making changes and enhancement in the curriculum to make it more effective, relevant, and responsive to the needs of learners, society, and the future. It is a continuous process of reviewing, updating, and refining the content, teaching methods, learning activities, and assessment tools used in schools. So this is the topic. This is the part of levels of curriculum improvement. There are 5 levels of curriculum improvement. So one is departmentalized. So what is departmentalized? A departmentalized curriculum is a traditional approach where each subject is taught separately by different teachers and lessons are not linked to one another. For example, what students learn in science is not directly connected to what they study in math or English, so they move from one subject to another without seeing how the knowledge relates. And number 2, reinforcement. So what is reinforcement? So reinforcement in curriculum improvement means that topics, skills, or concepts taught in one subject are revisited and strengthened through related lessons in another subject. For example, when students learn about fraction in math and later apply them while measuring ingredients in a science experiment, the concept is reinforced across both disciplines. Number 3, complementary. What is complementary? So complementary is a level of curriculum integration where 2 or more subjects intentionally share topics, themes, or skills so that learning is one supports learning in the other. For example, an English class may focus on reading and writing about environmental issues, while science explores ecosystem, allowing students to connect ideas across both subjects. So they have a connection between. So number 4, Webbed. Webbed is a level of curriculum integration where a central theme is used to connect subjects, creating a web or related concept and activities. For example, using the theme water. So theme is water. Science can study its states. Math can measure volume. English can write poems about it. And social studies can discuss its importance in communities, making learning more meaningful and interconnected. So they are both connected like a web like a web and a spider. So number 5, integrated. So integrated in the highest is the highest level of curriculum integration, where subjects are merged around broad themes and disciplinary boundaries are less visible. So they are emerge. For example, a unit on sustainability can combine science, renewable energy, math, data on consumption, social studies, policies and culture, and English persuasive essay, allowing students to see knowledge as a unified whole. So they are both integrated. And this is the other levels of curriculum improvement. 1. Sopra. 2. Macro. 3. Meso. 4. Micro. 5. Nano. So what are these levels of curriculum improvement? So these levels of curriculum improvements: Sopra, Macro, Meso, Micro, Nano, refers to the different scales at which curriculum changes and decisions are made, from the broad international level down to the individual learner. Sopra focuses on global standards, while Macro on national policies, Meso on institutional programs, Micro on classroom practice, and Nano on the personal learning experience of students. So these are the levels of curriculum improvement and curriculum improvement. So thank you everyone for listening. Thank you and have a great day.